Testing.
We're ripping this baby apart.
Continuation of the project. We got shop space, which is sweet. We got Sahir over here working on his Datsun 280Z, and today we're gonna rip the interior out of this thing.
Exciting.
Exciting.
Those are McDonald's French fries. I'm so serious.
Okay, we got work going on. Crochet work.
Working so hard.
We just tore the heck out of the interior on this thing. It is almost empty. So, we got gas lines still to disconnect. We got water pump and everything to strip out the water tank. Otherwise, she's almost empty. And I'm tempted to take the windows out because all this is going to come apart. Don't mind the mess, but we got an 80 series chassis. So this is from a friend in Iowa. We got a 94, so it's got disc brakes in the rear, full floats, and it is in pretty nice shape actually. It's got steering, it's got all the links, it's got cross members, it's got ABS, but we're gonna take that out. It's nice. I think there's a little bit of crud in here, but otherwise, it's pretty good. It's a nice shape. Oh, I'd say throw it out. Let's keep it just for a template. That is what? You're kidding. That's actually a nice shape. Cool. It's a cool one. Just found that. Month, date, and year. Inside the Chinook. I might have to keep that.
that. There you go. Perfect. Oh, door behind you. I will show a little bit where we're at in the front too. So we got everything cleared in the front for the most part. Carpet's out, seats are out. I still got a little bit of carpeting in there, but the hope next is to take the top off. Yeah, that's the next step.
See here? That's actually a cool view. This is sweet. You know, we could just change the driver's position to be like this. Get her off, maybe. Because then we'll get the little spring clips off.